How to turn on or turn off APM alerts notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, tap on advanced settings and then scroll down and make sure you turn on manage notification categories for each app. So turn it on, then we tap on the back key. Now go to the top and tap on app notifications. Then tap on the more button. Then choose show system apps. Now in here we scroll down and then tap on Android system. Then we scroll down and tap on notification categories. And in here, tap on APM alerts. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on APM alerts notifications. So in here, you can also tap on it to turn it on or off. If you want to leave on the notifications, you can also choose to use the alert or the silent method. So here, if you choose silent, then the phone will send you a silent notifications. Otherwise, it will send you an alert notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.